So one of the things I find people really struggle with when they're new to Illustrator is how to manipulate the shapes, manipulate the curves, and that involves using the pen tool and adjusting anchor points, for example. And I just wanted to touch on that really just to explain the basic concept. So this is a real beginner's tip, really, this one. When you look at these two curves that I've got drawn on the screen here, they look exactly the same at a first glance. And if you look at those, you'd assume it's just a copy of the same curve. And they are the same in terms of the shape, but there is something different on them. And if I use the white arrow here and just select both of these and go around them, you'll notice what the difference is. And the difference is that this top curve has two anchor points, one on each end. And you adjust the curve using the handles that are on these. So you can drag these handles around and adjust the curve accordingly, like so. With this second one, this has three. I've added an extra anchor point in here. So if I was to do the same and select this anchor point and adjust it, it doesn't adjust the entire curve. What it's adjusting is it's adjusting the curve between this anchor point and this anchor point, rather than affecting the whole curve as it does up here. So at the top there, it drags the whole curve around. Down here, if I do the same thing, it only drags it down between the two anchor points. And these anchor points are effectively how you control these curves. You can drag them around like so. You can also break them off, which I'll show you in one of the other quick tips, and adjust them separately if you prefer to. Oops, went to the wrong one there. And adjust them separately if you want to, so you can do this kind of thing. And mastering how you manipulate those anchor points and when and where to add them is a really big part of using Illustrator, and it's definitely one that you need to get to grips with if you're going to use Illustrator regularly. There are various ways to create these. One of the best ways, really, and probably will make you better with Illustrator, is to master the use of the pen tool and learn how to do it properly by adding and removing anchor points. There are other tools out there which will allow you to draw freehand and add in your own, but at the end of the day, you still need to understand how to come back, add these in, remove them, and adjust them. So I would definitely recommend trying to master that tool if you can. And we'll go through a few other tips here that help with that. But obviously, if you're looking to get up to speed quickly and do that intensively, then that's the time to be looking at things like our training courses, where we take you right through that intensively and get you up to speed in a day or two very quickly. Hopefully that helps a little bit though.